So what we are doing in Kapalbhati is basically is exhalation exercise. So we are breathing out. So every time we are breathing out and trying to be still as you breathe out, you're pushing your belly button in and you're exhaling, basically the air goes out. So keep doing as long as you can in your own small way, say one per every minute or something, or every second. So just concentrate on your mind is on your Ajna chakra. Feel the Brahman, the universal energy around you, like you're floating in this space. Feel that peace that you get and keep doing it. It will be painful for a moment, but once you get into the rhythm, it's not that painful. And if you keep trying to do it every week, slowly, it will become just like any other exercise. Yeah, but it's very powerful for the reason that I was saying. Your parasympathetic vasovagal tone stimulation, your repair, regeneration, repairing of this body, the creativity part is helped by these processes. If you need a break, you can put your hand even on the put your hand on the back to support your spine if it's painful to you. So you can do that way. Whichever way you find it easier, you can do it. Try and be as still as possible. Don't try and move your shoulders. So if your shoulder is moving, then use your hand as a stability on the back. Yeah. So if you put it on your back, then your shoulder won't move. The purpose being, we are trying to become as still as possible and concentrating on our breath, because the next part of the exercise will be to meditate, and that's we are trying to reach that stillness now. So try as much as you can. I do it as long when I start sweating, then I stop. So it's sort of my guide. Okay, keep going up. So that's Kapalbhati. Okay, so by now, surely it's painful, and yeah, you can feel it's being all the muscles are being pulled. But the deepest meaning of it, it's actually stimulating your vagal nerve system in your body, the parasympathetic system. It balancing your adrenal glands, so you're becoming more healthier. Persist with it, and after a while, you'll feel the goodness of it. Now we'll do what's called Yog Nidra. Nadi Shodhan. So we do first do Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom, so we close your right nostril and we breathe into the left nostril, then come out to the right nostril, breathe into the right nostril, breathe out to the alternate nasal breathing. Yeah. Be mindful, concentrate on the breath. Now, from Anulom Vilom to Nadi Shodhan is basically same ritual, same exercise, but it's very subtle now. So you'll breathe in through your left nostril very, very quietly that you don't even feel the breath. It's very subtle. So breathing in, holding it as long as you can, breathing out to the right, holding it as long as you can, breathing in through the right, holding it long as you can, and breathing out to the left and holding it as long as you can. It'll give you complete peace. Breathe into the left, out to the left, into the right, hold it, out to the left, hold it, into the left, hold it, out to the right, into the right, out to the left, into the left, out to the right, into the right, out to the left. Now keep your hands on your knees, keep in this position. Now you're in a state which is as best you can probably be still in the whole week. So take advantage of this stillness in you. Because the power is, is all in stillness. Swah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. संकल्प। हे परमपिता परमात्मा, हम अपने विभिन्न दुखों की निवृत्ति के लिए और आपके पूर्ण आनंद की प्राप्ति के लिए अपने पूर्ण शक्ति से आपके शरण में आए हैं। आप कृपया करके हमारे संपूर्ण दुखों को दूर करके हमें पूर्ण आनंद की प्राप्ति कराइए और आपकी कृपा हमारे ऊपर सदा बनी रहे। गॉड गिव ऑफ लाइफ, रिमूव ऑफ पेन्स एंड सॉरोज, बिस्टो ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, क्रिएटर ऑफ यूनिवर्स, thou art most luminous, pure and adorable. We meditate on thee. Please inspire and guide our intellect in the right direction. प्रतिहारा। अपने आप को याद दिलाओ, मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूं, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूं। मैं शुद्ध आत्मा, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूं। मैं 5 तन मात्राएं, 5 महाभूत, 10 इंद्रियां, चित्त, मन, अहंकार, बुद्धि कुछ नहीं, बल्कि मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूं, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूं। The body keeps changing, mind keeps changing, emotions keep changing, thoughts keep changing, but I never change. Who am I? I'm the divine, I'm the soul, I'm the prana, I'm the life form. I'm part and part of the entire creation. मैं शुद्ध आत्मा हूं, मैं चेतन स्वरूप हूं, मैं शुद्ध आत्मा। Interoception, detachment is the real power of a human being. Dharana, dhyan, samadhi. Concentration leads on to meditation. Now that you are still, your body is fit enough to sit. Your mind is now not like a monkey thing. You've cut down 60,000 thoughts into, say, 10, 20, and now at the moment probably hardly anything, but still, mind is material. It's jada. It will be attracted towards material things. So you can't stop it, but you can replace those thoughts into sattvic gunas. And there is no bigger sattvic guna than focusing on the qualities of the eternal consciousness, the creator, that energy. The first quality, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, eternal. हर काल, हर समय, हर जगह, हर मोड़, हर स्थिति, 9 द्रव्य, 33 कोटियां, 24 गुण, 5 क्रिया, हर जगह, हर मोड़, हर स्थिति, हर समय वो शक्ति है, चलाती है। जैसे मैं योग निद्रा में बतला रहा था, from eternity thou keep showering your blessings on all of us. All desires of all living beings are fulfilled by you. Whatever is good and beneficial for us, you have provided us without asking. It's your justice system. It's a karmic cycle. May we live in a manner like a lotus flower. You can't separate. You have to live in the material world. It's no point hiding in a cave or anywhere. Live the life, but be like a कमल फूल की तरह, कीचड़ में से रहते हुए भी अपनी सुंदरता दिखाते रहो। The second quality, all protector, आदि दैविक, आदि भौतिक, आध्यात्मिक, पृथ्वी लोक, वनस्पति, देवलोक, हर मोड़, entire planes of living, your body. As I was saying, how you can keep it healthy, physical part, how can you balance your emotion, your mind, then your environment, your home, your workplace, on the road, you're flying or anywhere, the atmosphere, beyond the atmosphere, the space itself, the placement of each of the stars, the meaning, the tithis, whatever the dates of Hindus festivities and celebrations are actually has much bigger meaning in terms of how the planetary system function, how the movement happens. The dates are chosen in that manner. That's why they're special. And the science of today is helping us actually understand this better. Before, people were dismissing it so easily. जाके राखो साइया मार सके न कोई, बाल ना वाका कर सके जो जग बहरी हो. Find this tune, the small vibes that you get once in a while in a week, make it a constant thing. You'll always be happy. You'll always be satisfied. You'll always have more time to help everyone. You'll never run out of energy and you'll never get angry. What else do you want then? That's what everyone is looking, but in a misplaced manner. The third quality, all pure, perfect, and complete. Shuddhamasi, Buddhamasi, Muktamasi, Niranjanamasi. Tattvamasi, Aham Brahma Jaisi, Sachidanand, Sankalp Mokshi Shakti Ritam. Vairag, Vivek, Tyag Tapasya, sacrifice, persistence, repetition helps you move from your physical body with tamasic gunas, tamasic sthiti, negativities, inertia into a balanced, positive, rajasic state where you succeed materially acquiring wealth, goodness, which should be utilized for helping others. And if you pass that in a good manner, then you attain this sattvic state, sato gun, which is all blissful, Satchidanand. To reach there, you need to remove the dust that sits on the most internal component of this living body in everything. It is inactive, inert, in prakriti, material. It's in dream state in plants. It's in rajasic state in animals, fish, amphibians. But only human beings have the potential of enlightenment through this power source that is there. So take advantage of this birth that you are given as a human. And you remove this dust, the impressions, sanskars, which is a justice system of the Creator from many lifetimes that we accumulate. अविद्या अस्मिता राग द्वेष अवनिवेश मृत्यु का भय उल्टा ज्ञान लगाओ बदले की भावना. And then your vat, pit, kapha, the three planes of your healthy living will balance out. You'll understand each of your phases of being awareness, Jagriti, Swapna, Turiya, Turyata, Bhargav, Bhargav, Chetana, Sthiti. Chitradom, Vichitrado, Ekagra, one focus, one stillness is what you are trying to attain. Yog Chitra Vritti Nirodha. सर्विकल से सर्विचार, सर्वीज से नरवीज, संप्रजा स्थिति से असंप्रजा स्थिति, सरगुण से निर्गुण, सानत सुष्मिता कैवल्य की प्राप्ति. आपको सीधी प्राप्ति होगी. डिवाइन विजन, डिवाइन त्वत्, divine vani, divine sound, everything will come. We are very limited to the superficial aspects of our इंद्रियाज, 5 ज्ञान इंद्रिया। ओम सत्यम, ओम ज्ञानम, ओम अनंतम, ओम ब्रह्म, ओम सत्यम, ओम ज्ञानम, ओम अनंतम, ओम ब्रह्म, ओम सत्यम, ओम ज्ञानम, ओम अनंतम, ओम ब्रह्म, ओम आनंदः, ओम आनंदः, ओम आनंदः। पूर्णो। मंत्र चिकित्सा। ओम तक्षुर्देहितं पुरुषाच्युकृत मुचृत पश्येमे शरदा शतम जीवे में शरदा शतम शृणुयाम शरदा शतम प्रभाम शरदा शतम दीना वश्यम शरदा शतात यज्जागृत दूर्मय दैवितिम दैवितम दूरमम ज्योतिषाम ज्योतिरीकम तन्मे मनाशु संकल्पमस्तु। ओम त्र्यंबकम यजामहे सुगंधिम पुष्टिवर्धनम उर्वारुकमिव बंदनाम मृत्युर्मुक्षमामृतात्। ओम तेजोमसि तेजोमहि देहि, ओम बलमसि बलमहि देहि, ओम ओजोमसि ओजोमहि देहि, ओम वीरमसि वीरमहि देहि, ओम मनुर्मसि मनुर्महि देहि, ओम सहोमसि सहोमहि देहि, ओम तमेव माचत पिता तमेव बंधु सखा तमेव विद्या द्रविणम तमेव सर्वम मम देव देवा। ओम नमो शंभवाय च नमो भवाय च नमः शंकराय च मस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च। ओम शन्नो मित्रा शन्वरुणा शन्नो भर्गो अरिमा शन्नो इंद्रो बृहस्पति शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमा नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्तवाय। तमेव प्रतीक्षं ब्रह्मादि तमेव प्रतीक्षं ब्रह्मादि स्वामी विक्तं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्ममौतु तद्वाक्तरामौतु औतु मामौतु वाक्तराम्। ओम शन्नो देवीरभिष्टया आपो भवन्तु पीतये शन्नो रवि शर्वन्तु नः। ओम सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो बृहद्देवाशा स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नष्टाशर्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु न। ओम स्वस्ति न इंद्रो बृहद्देवाशा स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नष्टाशर्यो अरिष्टनेमि स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु न। ओम सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सावीर्यं कर्वावहि तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहि। ओम दीना तक्तेना भुजिन्ता ओम यथा पिंडे तथा ब्रह्मांडे यथा पिंडे। ओम पूर्णविवाहि कर्माणि निजे विषयताम समायो त्वे तिथि अस्ति न कर्म लिपते नवे। ओम अस्तमा सत्गमया तमसुमा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्युमा अमृतं गमया। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। Om Dev Shanti Antarikshagum Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapa Shanti Roshadhaya Shanti Vanaspati Shanti Vishwe Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagum Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Shama Shanti Redhi Om Shanti 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 Om. Om. Mm. Mm. परमात्मा की कृपा बनी रहे जी. ओम शांति शांति जी. Okay, bhaiyo, how are you all? How are you going? How are you, Vijay? How are you?
Yeah, quite good, Raghav.
Thank you for joining.
Yeah. So there was a little bit cutting off in between. I think that's just a Zoom thing.
Yeah, I think it's a Zoom thing. I'm having some problem now. I don't know how I can fix that. Is there any other platform that could I use or me better?
No, it was saying that a free Zoom time limit something.
Oh, so they are back to the time limitation then.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. I think 45 minutes is the maximum time.
Okay, so that's what's happening. So I think what we'll do is maybe we'll just so just rejoin.
Yeah, no, after rejoining it works again.
Yeah, so I think that's what we'll do. We'll keep doing it. As soon as it starts, then we'll just rejoin.
Okay.
I think that way we can continue doing it. Yes. Have a good weekend.
Yes, and after all this Diwali and a lot of food and all, this was good, like recharging again.
It's good to do it. There's a lot of eating otherwise, yeah. Festivities is good. Festivals are good. Keeps you happy, entertained. But yeah, this is very important too. Okay, Ji.
Okay, have a nice
week, and then we meet next Sunday, same time.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, Ji. Pramod Ji, namaste. Randir, how are you? How are you going? Okay, Ji. Namaste.
अगर आप चाहे डॉक्टर जी, अगर आप चाहे तो इंडियन डायस्पोरा को सब्सक्राइब किया है जूम के लिए. So we can do through that one. हम सतीश से पूछ लेंगे and the other members of the IDC. And then we can I'll see if I can organize, because हमारी तो unlimited है ना, we have paid for that.
Yeah, so if you want, you can do it. Yeah, that will be helpful. If no one else can control it, it's easier for me.
Then Satish can probably, I'll ask him whether he can wake up at that time and control that. No?
Oh, that's the thing. Otherwise, I'll have to subscribe again. Then I think my last year one is finished now.
Otherwise, you can use our platform, because he can record.
Yeah.
And then if you want, you can share through the other iVision site or IDCA. We've got all the site operating.
Yeah. Talk to him, see what he wants to do. Yeah. Otherwise, I mean, for next week we'll start again this way. But if you get cut off, just rejoin. Yeah.
Otherwise, yeah, because ours is never interfered. Now we can.
Yeah.
We are running.
Yeah, I think it's showing now. Yeah, it's showing again now. The time is up. It's saying. Okay.
So
the meeting will end in 10 minutes. Upgrade now. So I have to upgrade it. It's all finished for me actually. Okay. Yeah. I'll talk with Satish and see how it goes.
The other thing is we are trying to expand the number of members for IDCA. You can only become member.
Okay.
Just say you're a member.
Yeah.
And then the bigger the number, then we can be more influential, because we wrote a letter, against this, Bangladesh.